Assalamu alaikum, dears. Welcome to a new lesson. Today we will have Unit 8, Lesson 2. Remember, we spoke in the last lesson about different kinds of food and how important they are to our body. We can move now to things. When we had cucumber, can I count the cucumber? Yes, I can. I can say 1 cucumber, 2 cucumbers. Do I say a or an cucumber? Yes, I hear it. A cucumber. Remember that a equals 1. A equals 1. Again, a equals 1. Cucumber. We learned it also when we want to make a salad, we can use the cucumber. And what will make us cry when we chop it? Onion, yes. We say onion or an onion? Yes, an onion. Why? Onion starts with O. Onion starts with O. And O is one of Anne's friends. O is one of Anne's friends. A quick remember to you, I will remind you quickly. Anne has got 5 friends. Anne has got 5 friends. Who are they? A, E, I, O, U. E, A, I, O, U. This is Anne, and these are her 5 friends. Anne has got 5 friends. Who are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. If the word starts with one of Anne's friends, هم 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, we use an, not a. But for the rest, yes, an apple. For the rest of the letters, we use a. And remember, a and an equals 1. So if I say a or an, this means I can count this thing. But let's look at macaroni. Can I say a macaroni or a pasta? 2 pastas? No. Do I say a rice? 2 rice? No, never. We never do this. Do I say 1 milk, 2 milks? No. I count the cups of milk. I say 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of milk, 1 glass of juice, 2 glasses of juice, but liquids, I can't count them. And some other kinds of food, some other kinds of words, I can't count them. So if I can count it, I call it countable. I call it countable nouns. Again, countable nouns. Why? Because I can count them. But some nouns are uncountable. I can't count them. That's why I call them uncountable nouns. Like what? All liquids. Milk, juice, water, perfume, shampoo, oil, coffee, tea. All liquids are uncountable. Can I say a milk or a coffee or a tea? No. I count the cups or the glasses. I count the bottles. But I don't count the liquid itself. Okay. Can I say a meat? 1 meat, 2 meats? No. I say 1 piece of meat, 2 pieces of meat. Bread. I say 1 loaf of bread, 2 loaves of bread. So I don't count the bread, but I count the pieces of it, the loaves of it. Bread, meat, rice. Remember, meat has eat in it. Rice has ice. Pasta. Cereal. Do I count it? No. So if mom comes and asks you, what would you like for dinner? Can you tell her 1 pasta? No, you say a plate of pasta. A plate of pasta. Okay, or a plate of rice, a piece of meat. So I need some rice. I need some rice. I don't say a rice, I say some rice. So for all these words, I can say some. If mom comes and says to you, would you like some milk? You say to her, yes, I'd like some. Yes, I would like to have some some milk. If you don't, I don't want some. Take care. I don't want any. I don't want any. Because any is a friend of negative and the question mark. Negative and question mark. What is the meaning of that? When I ask a question, for example, I say, I need some sugar. I need some sugar. If I want you to ask question, would you like any sugar? Again, would you like any sugar? Because any is a friend of the question. In the question, some turns into any. And if I say, I don't want any sugar. I don't want any sugar. So any is a friend of negative and the question mark in place of some. Take care. This is very important. When I ask you to rewrite the sentence, and I have some in the sentence, if you want to write it with not or to make a question, you will turn it into any. For lots of practice, you will find it in the grammar part in your book, Spotlight. In the grammar part, we will have it. You will have countable and uncountable nouns here for some and any. And we will have lots of exercise about the countable and uncountable noun. Lots of exercises here. Wish you do well and you got it. If you need anything, you can repeat or replay the video. And if you want to contact me on the Facebook page or the group, you are very welcomed. Goodbye.